Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What? Today we have another Dollar Tree DIY featuring this staircase garland. This is day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas Crafts hosted by Simply Mindy. I've gone ahead and added her link down below in the description box, so go ahead and click the link to catch up on her DIYs. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So let's start out with the materials that you'll need for this DIY. You'll need about 2 to 3 rings of garland. They are 15 feet each, so it just depends on how long you want your garland to be on your staircase and also how long your staircase is. You'll need some ornaments. I used only a few, but definitely add more as you see fit. Use the little strings that come with the ornaments, and you'll need some lights. They are 5 feet each, so you'll need about 3 if you want to do the whole 15 feet of the garland. You'll need some ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, which is 5 feet long. And I also added some floral from the Dollar Tree as well. So go ahead and start unraveling the rings of garland, and you'll want to just fold them in half from top to bottom. So go ahead and unfold and unravel the 3 rings of garland. Once you have all 3 of the rings of garland unraveled and folded in half, go ahead and start kind of twisting it together from the opening of the garland. It's a little twist method that I did. I just held it from the top and just kept kind of twirling it and twisting it together. To better hold the top of it, I used some zip ties to hold it together. And with the zip ties, I was able to keep that nice and firm at the top so that as I went about twisting it, it didn't unravel itself. So the twist ties were a really good help. So you can just add those to the top of the garland and then continue to twist from there. Once you have the garland nice and twisted and tight, go ahead and add on the ribbon. Just give that a little twirl as well all the way throughout. The ribbon is a little bit shorter than 15 feet. I think it is 9 feet, so you'll have to spread it out a little bit throughout the garland to make it look full. So after that, you will want to start adding on the lights. Make sure that you keep the extra bulbs that are in the packet, so in case any of the bulbs go out, you'll still have some spare to replace the ones that have gone out. Now, as far as the lights go, you'll want to add them all the way around the wreath, but you'll also want to make sure that wherever the plug is where your outlet is, where you'll have the extension cord. So I went ahead and added the lights throughout the garland, but I also tried to make sure that I kept the end plug kind of sort of near where my outlet was going to be. Once you have the lights placed nicely, you'll want to start adding on the embellishments, which I started out with the ornaments. The little strings that are in the case with the ornaments I used straight from the Dollar Tree, and I just added those around the wreath, just spread them out nicely so that once I was able to put them on the staircase, you'll still be able to see them. So I put them on the inside because I knew that the inside of the garland of where I was working with would be on the outside of the staircase so that the ornaments would still show. So while I have you guys, make sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and also click the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And don't forget to check out the other ladies in the collab. All of their information is down in the description box. And while we're here, make sure you comment down below and tell me if you plan on doing a staircase garland this year for your home decor and what you have planned for your staircase. As I went along, I decided to only use the kind of straw embellishment floral pieces for the garland. I didn't want to make it too heavy and I didn't want it to make it too cluttered. So I used the straw embellishment floral, and I used some zip ties to hold them in place, which I am starting to really love zip ties because I feel like they make projects easier and hold things in place easier. So I went ahead and added those throughout the garland and kind of spread out the floral pieces to give it a fuller look. And that's it, guys. Here is the finished look, and I was pretty happy with it. I love how it turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to catch up on yesterday's tutorial. You can click down below and see the link for yesterday's tutorial, and don't forget to come back tomorrow to see day 11. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow.